One of the worst calls that I can get over the last 45 years is when one of the managers calls and says there's been a fire. We have learned with some bad experiences that the StoveTop device is the most effective way to quickly end a stovetop fire.
A small cooking fire can get out of control very quickly.
Not only is the fire in that one apartment, but sometimes it'll burn down an entire building. So we're not just talking about saving a kitchen, we're talking about saving an entire building full of people. This product has saved multiple apartments and buildings for us over the years.
What this product does is it allows us to have a product in the apartment where the fires mainly happen. I think 75 or 80% of the fires in an apartment happen in a kitchen on the stove. So it really was an easy product for us to embrace. And on normal, it saves us about 5 to 7% on our insurance costs by having a FireStop product in our apartments.
The StoveTop FireStop Low Pro saves us money because it helps prevent fires. Even though we have insurance, you're going to have costs. It also helps us save money because the installation is so easy and we're not spending hours with a maintenance team or a third party installing the product.
It really addresses the main problem, which is a fire on the stove. We have smoke alarms in our apartments, but in reality, it doesn't put out the fire.
The StoveTop device, especially in the Low Pro version, is an aesthetically appealing device that the residents are going to appreciate. And from an investment standpoint, owners are going to love the fact that it will stay in place and be an effective device to end the problem of kitchen fires.
The Low Pro FireStop is beneficial to property owners because it saves us on insurance. We have the confidence that the product is in, it's not getting in the way of the resident, they're not messing with it. If they leave their kitchen and a fire happens, I have the confidence that the product's going to work and put out the fire.
In the most basic terms, it's like having a fireman standing behind you every time you cook.
In property management, where fires are a major risk, the FireStop device is the quickest and most effective and most aesthetically appealing device I know of that can be used to solve this common problem.